welcome to my channel. You want to see how I get this look, so stay tuned. Okay, now that I have done my brows out of camera, I will be setting my eyes with a powder so that when I put eyeshadow, the color will appear. I will be using this eyeshadow palette that I get at Discam. It was 90 bucks. Going for this color, the darker brown. I will put this one on my crease. And make sure you blend it very well. It's easy to blend them. Okay, I think that's enough. Guys, I forgot to tell you guys, this brush I get it at Discam as well. It was $59.95. Pencil brush. This one was $89.99. I'm using the deeper color now, black. And now I'm using this one again into my inner eye, Urban Decay. The color that I'm going for is this golden shade. Looks fine so far. And now I'm using this MAC mascara. It's Extend Play Lash. I don't use fake lashes, people. The problem is my excuse me, my lash are very curly, and I've been trying so hard to put fake lashes, but it seems like I'm not getting that one right. I guess I need more practice on that. Can you see the difference now? Using this, I don't use primer, I don't have it actually, so this also will work. To highlight. Okay, before I do that, guys, I want to show you something. See this concealer? I bought it in Chinese store until I get this one at Discam. This one was $59.99, 60 rand. So this one I bought it 30 rand in Chinese store, so I can see the difference. But I won't waste it. I will use it to correct those dark circles under my eyes. And the other thing, guys, for now, as a beginner, I don't buy expensive makeups. I just go for cheaper products until I make sure my makeup is on point. Those dark circles, spots. This mustache is really showing off. And I'm trying to cover it, but it will always pop out and say, hello girlfriend, remember I'm here. I'm using my blender, it's very dirty. Okay, everything is blended. Using my LA foundation, LA Girl foundation, the color Caramel. It smells like caramel. I don't want to apply too much. Guys, there's this stupid brush that I bought at Discam. It's a foundation brush, but it's not giving me the finishing that I want. So let me just try it again, because the first time that I noticed that I applied too much foundation. So now I want to see if I didn't put too much foundation. How will it react? The brush is not good. It's not blending very well. This brush now, I don't know what is doing. Okay. Let's highlight, baby. I have learned new things. I watch most of YouTubers when they do their makeup. So it's how I learn those other things. People, it's always good to learn new things. Okay. I'm now setting my eyes. Mineral powder, black opal. The things why I'm doing this, I've got an oily skin. Okay. Okay, now let's contour. I also get this at Discam. How much was this? 130, 129.95 with instructions, especially the beginners, people like me. You see, one thing I like with this, it shows you how you do with every color. It shows you what do you use it for. So this is very good for the beginners, not to buy the product and then you don't know what to use it for. So this one will guide you. Which is, it's one thing I like about the palettes. You know, people, I never contour my nose. Not bad. Okay. It comes with a blush as well and glow and highlight, but normally I don't use all these colors. Okay, now moving on, I will use this one. This one is a summer highlighter from Huda Beauty as well. I bought this one in Chinese shop. It was 70 rands. Yeah. So with this one, normally I use a blush and highlight. I like the colors. MAC brush, the number 129. Highlight. It's not showing too much, which is, I like it like that. I'm using this for my lips. I will be using this lipstick, Huda Beauty. Okay, I will be using my setting spray. It's LA Girl Pro setting spray. This one, it holds the makeup to last longer. Just in case if you're wondering why am I using that, so now you know. This is it, guys, my final look.